What's going on, guys? It's now day 19 of our 30-day Get Good challenge. Now today, we're gonna get back to grinding some of the tricks we've been working on, specifically the Matty flips. I know I've kind of strayed away in the past few days. That's just because I kind of wanted to just reset a little bit, but now it's time to get back to that. Now I think today's spot will be pretty good for this. We got some of these medians with these short little trees in there. And I found that I like those because they're a little bit lower to the ground. So your form on the Matty flips, or really any trick, has to be a little bit tighter, a little bit cleaner. And I think that's what I need. I think I have the general motion down, the front flip motion, but I think I just need to refine it a little bit, and being a little bit closer to the ground hopefully will help me do that today. I wish it wasn't just asphalt that I'd be landing on, because I'm sure I'll break something, but is what it is. I think this should still be a pretty good spot. So now that I'm a little over halfway done with this, I'm starting to think of things I want to do to recap this whole process. And I think what I'm going to do at the end is make a little edit of where I started versus where I ended within this challenge. I think that'll be the best way to show the improvement and the progress that I've made. Unfortunately, in this hobby or sport or whatever you want to call it, there's not like tangible numbers or data to track progress. Like in football, you got passing yards, for example. You don't really have that here. So I think the only way to really do that is to just show it. But until then, let's keep grinding, let's get better, and hopefully show some highlight reel stuff at the end of this month here. Cue that intro. So something new we're gonna try today. I wanted to do a stick cam, but I don't really have the right setup for that. It's just kind of awkward. So what we're gonna do instead is place the camera facing this tree where we're gonna be practicing our flip. I think honestly, this might be more useful than a stick cam, at least to me. You'll be able to see exactly where the drone is, hopefully. Might have to reposition it a little bit, but part of my problem is I don't know where I am in the air. So maybe by seeing this, and maybe in the future we also get a stick cam, I'll be able to see exactly where I am in the air and where I went wrong. That was a good one. Ah. Well, this is a new one. So I just unplugged this black one, but somehow this got caught in the prop and the prop was like chopping it up and actually unplugged it. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. There we go. All right, I got one last pack here. That was okay, at least got the motion. There. Ooh. Man, this thing is taking a beating today. I have now cracked the case. Got that there. This mount is broken, but it's taped on. Ooh, the case is cracked in the back too. And the little stir stick that I have on the back here, the zip ties that were holding it down broke. So now that's flopping around. I got to do something with that. This is one of those days where you just, oh God, now it chipped up my arm more. It's one of those days you just break a bunch of shit. It's just how it goes sometimes. But if you want to get good at a trick, this is how you do it. Grind, 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 grind. So, let's finish this. All right, well, we have to call it early. Unfortunately, I had some life left in that battery too, but that last crash, that happened. Cells got all smashed up. If this happens to your LiPo, throw it away. Do not try to charge this. Do not try to use this, charge this. Leave it in your house if you have any option at all. This needs to be disposed of. I really don't even want to drive home with this thing in my car. FYI. Look at our quad though. My God, this took a beating today. Got our stick, taped it, but now it's bent up again. These props are just beat to hell. Another GoPro mount. And I am keeping track of all the stuff I break. I got an Excel spreadsheet of everything that I break. So at the end of this challenge, I will be going through each one of these parts and you guys will be amazed at how many things I've managed to break. So as far as what I got out of today, obviously it didn't end the way I wanted it to, but I did get quite a few good, clean exit, low to the ground Matty flips, which I am very happy about. So yeah, I broke a lot of stuff, but I also had some good reps in there. Just try to find the silver lining, right? You know, I even got an audience in there. A bunch of little kids came up and they wanted to check out the drone, see what I was doing. Now I know kids they like to run all over the place and, you know, maybe get in the way a little bit, but they just want to see what you're doing. They just love drones. They love that kind of thing. They just want to see what you're up to. So if that happens to you, don't get mad. Don't be a dick. Don't tell them to leave. Just entertain them. Maybe fly a battery for them or show them a few little tricks here and there. They love that stuff. So just be nice, people. Well, that's going to do it for today. This is one of those days that, in the words of Tom Haverford from Parks and Rec, sometimes you have to work a little to ball a lot. I think that perfectly fits this here. You guys saw the absolute worst compilation of crashes I think you've ever seen on this channel. And you know what? I don't care. I don't care at all. That's why I have this channel. I want you guys to see that you don't have to be perfect right away or every time. If you want to be good, you're going to crash and you're going to have terrible days like this. That's just the way it goes. You need to get over it. If you think I'm worse from watching today, I don't really care. I just hope you're entertained. But until next time, drop me a like down below, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.